Good evening, everybody. My name is Taani and she is my mom, Seema Yadav. So my activity is cooking. So I'm going to make a mug cake. So for mug cake we need ingredients: cocoa powder, maida, sugar powder,
butter,
and milk. And we have to mix in this. Yes, and baking powder and gems for decoration. And so let's start. So first we will put maida. After putting maida, we will put powdered sugar. And now we will put cocoa powder. You can put it. Actually, my brother is screaming. And now we have to mix it properly. Sorry, my mother had to take care of my brother, so that's why we paused the video. So let's continue. So first we will put after putting baking powder, now we will put the butter. Yes. So we have to not put the all butter. No, we have to put 3 spoons of butter. So it will be nice and tangy.
Okay, mix it. Mix it, Taani.
Okay. Now we have to, my mother is putting the milk. So we are seeing, so we need a little bit more milk.
Yes, mix it.
Okay, so the mixture is ready. Now my mother is going to put this in the mug. Ooh, it's so chocolatey. Can I eat this?
Okay.
So the mixture is ready. Now my mother is going to put in the microwave.
Okay.
So we are going to set the 2 minutes timer.
Yeah.
So now the mug cake is ready. So now I'm going to decorate with the gems. I'm going to put few gems. So I'm going to taste the mug cake. It's very hot. It's very yummy. Thank you for watching.